picks up enough.
Buechele on the post, wide open. Oh, this is room service. Robertson again. Touchdown. All right, Kevin Buechele slings it on the post. Caught. Robertson, rerun. Remix, touchdown.
Flea flicker. Buechele lofting it for the end zone, looking for grabs, and who makes a circus catch? Are you kidding me? A flea flicker touchdown, and SMU is still alive.
Look at the coverage, but he cannot locate the ball. Hall misses it, turns late. Incredible.
Buechele looking long for Prochet. He brings it in! James Prochet with one hand!
Hello, top 10. Beautifully thrown.
It's a gain of 22. On first down, Buechele wants to throw. Looking toward the end zone. And it is caught. And it's a touchdown.
Buechele again on a streak down the sideline, and it's caught. Robertson.
Got 4 wideouts for Buechele. Taking a shot deep, got a man. Touchdown. Robertson got in behind cross.
But that is now a fluid situation. Buechele going deep for Prochet. Brings it in with one hand. Did he stay in bounds? They will debate. It is a catch.
Blitz. Buechele lofting it for Prochet. Great spinning grab. James Prochet, the FBS active career leader in receive.
And here, what position? Doesn't matter. We'll talk about that later.
Downfield throw, they get lost in coverage. It's Rice running free and dragged down inside the 10.
Buechele with pressure. Launches for Prochet, and he put it on a dime. What a throw and catch. First and goal inside the 5.
The quickest of the 3 tailbacks that we've seen for SMU so far. Going deep. Catch made with the defender hanging all over him. Tucker Page, the junior.
2nd and 8 for Buechele. On the post, got a man. Robertson caught. First down.
Buechele looking for Prochet. Who has it? Incomplete. The catch was made out of bounds.
Wow. Woo! Buechele going for ball game here. This is a route that he didn't connect on earlier.
After further review, receiver possessed the ball, got a foot down in bounds, maintained control through the ground.
Buechele looking for Robertson. End zone. Touchdown.
Getting set up. Buechele, time in the pocket. Floats it downfield for Robertson. Robertson, end zone. Touchdown, SMU.
Down at the bottom.
He got him a tandem. He's got him in the vertical.
Looking deep for Robertson. He's got it inside the 10.
SMU, that this isn't just a one-trick pony. This is a team that they feel is built for the future.
Buechele unloads deep downfield. And it's caught by Prochet. Touchdown, SMU.
2nd down and 11. Buechele moves out of the pressure. He's got a receiver open and battling to get into the end zone. And it's going to come up short.
On 3rd down. Buechele steps up, delivers a long throw, and it's Prochet again, and he's in the clear. Stiff arm, still running an explosive.
Ordered for Sonny Dykes.
Little
chicanery.
yeah.
Oh, look at flea
got
flicker.
it wide open.
Wide open, Granson. He's got it. And the wide receiver that they can line up from time to time at tight end makes the catch.
Doing a good job running the football to start the first possession of the second half, and now they got a receiver wide open over on the far side of the field, and Robertson makes a great move, a cut back to the inside, and he is all the way down to the 5-yard.
SMU finds the end zone. It's James Prochet who will keep his streak going. His 12th consecutive game with a touchdown.
This drive. Buechele. Plenty of time. Finds Prochet. Touchdown.
Buechele down the middle. Catch is made by Robertson. And he's finally brought down at the 40-yard line. Hit him in stride.
Buechele going over the top, and he's got a touchdown.
First is to go back to the death penalty mid-80s. Second is to appreciate what the senior class has done. What an opportunity for Prochet. He snagged it with the left.
He is trying to be somebody else, and it's costing him right now.
Jones in motion, fake it to him. Buechele as time steps up and throws. Open target. C.J. Sanders.
They come after Buechele, who throws it downfield and has Sanders open as he finally gets involved.
And another big play. Buechele's got time in the pocket. He's got a man downfield, and SMU has a touchdown.
Needing 10, Buechele. Fires, caught! Tyler Page. Only had 12 catches on the year entering the game, and they climb the ladder.
Low snap. Here's the pressure. Buechele floats it downfield. Prochet inside the 10-yard line. First and goal.
Hits Granson here for the first down and more. Kylan Granson.
You've got a lot of weapons, and the weapons have come through. Look at that.
Wide open. Kylan Granson, the Rice transfer. 6 more.
Late pressure. Buechele off the back foot. Lobs it down. Play made by Page. They just
from under him, did regain it eventually. Buechele has offered a lot of stability, and Prochet has helped. That's
Buechele buys some time. Touchdown. Granson.
Conference in sacks.
They just get the play off. Buechele, open man. He's got Prochet. And the Mustangs strike first on the road.
That's a great set. There you go. Stop 8. Got
Back shoulder. Touchdown. Prochet.
Oh, that's what they've been looking for right there. Coverage, it's you and me. Stop fade. The ball is already on its way. Turn that shoulder. They got it.
They go the other way. It's caught. Touchdown. Xavier Jones.
10:04 to go. Wanting it to the end zone. Wide open. Prochet.
And he built up a lot of chemistry in the process. Chemistry that pays off like that. Granson, his tight end.
Trying to get to 10 wins. Wide open, and the catch made by Granson, the tight end.
Johnson, who's a junior, but not a lot of experience. Buechele, the keeper, and plenty of room. Chin Buechele, first and goal.
Jeez. On third down, just a 4-man rush, but Buechele has to dance. This time, Granson holds on and breaks free into Cougar. Buechele riding the read, finds the tight end Granson for a touchdown.
The way their schedule falls the rest of the way. Buechele into the end zone, touchdown. Channel 3 in full effect.
To the end zone, touchdown. Reggie Robinson Jr., 100.
Buechele on fourth down. As much time as he wants. He forces it to the back for Granson. His second touchdown catch of the first quarter.
USF loading up the box. Buechele rolls to his right. Has Prochet, who waltzes in. Another touchdown for SMU. The Mustangs are for real, folks.
He started all 12 games as a freshman and got hurt the following year. Got rid of it wide open over the middle. Down to the 7-yard line. Becker with the catch.
Real quick. Oh, maybe draw.
Touchdown.
Nice.
How about
Good
that?
job spreading them out.
Did it with 4 minutes.